Hello and welcome. Today we're learning how to connect to your MikroTik router for the very first time, or whenever you need to configure it. This is a crucial first step for setting up your network. MikroTik routers are powerful devices, and accessing them correctly is key to unlocking their capabilities. We will focus on the most common and reliable methods. The easiest and most recommended way to connect to a new MikroTik router is using an Ethernet cable along with a small utility called Winbox. First, ensure your MikroTik router is plugged into power. Give it a minute or two to fully boot up. Next, take a standard Ethernet cable. Connect one end of this cable to any available LAN port on your MikroTik router. These ports are often labeled Ether 2, Ether 3, Ether 4, Ether 5, or simply any port that is not designated as your Internet or WAN port. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable directly into the network port on your computer. Now, on your computer, you need to download the Winbox utility. You can find Winbox on the official MikroTik website. Just search for MikroTik Winbox and download the latest version. It's a very small, standalone executable file, so no complex installation is needed. Once downloaded, open the Winbox application. When Winbox launches, navigate to the Neighbors tab. Winbox will automatically scan your local network for MikroTik devices. You should quickly see your router appear in the list, displaying its MAC address, its default IP address, which is often 192.168.88.1, and its router OS version. To establish the connection, click directly on the MAC address of your MikroTik device in the neighbors list. This method is generally more reliable for initial connections than using the IP address. For the username, type admin. For the password, leave the field completely blank. A brand new MikroTik router does not have a default password. Then, click the Connect button. Congratulations! You are now successfully connected to your MikroTik router's configuration interface. The very first thing you should do after connecting is to set a strong password for the admin user. You can do this by going to System then Users within Winbox. Another common way to connect, especially after the initial setup, is through a web browser using Webfig. With your computer still connected via Ethernet, open any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the address bar, type the default IP address of your MikroTik router, which is typically 192.168.88.1, and press Enter. You will be presented with a login page. Enter admin as the username and leave the password blank, or use the password you previously set. This will give you a web-based interface for managing your router. If your MikroTik router already has Wi-Fi configured and you're connected to it, you can also use Winbox or Webfig over your Wi-Fi connection, but Ethernet is always best for the first connection or troubleshooting. That's how you connect to your MikroTik router. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more networking tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this.